Hey everyone! So we're going to quickly go over what Bulkify Falcon does. This allows you to grab the articles you have in Intercom, bring them into Google Sheets. Here you can make some bulk changes if you need to, and then upload them back to Intercom. So in this example, I've already set up my API key, and I'm going to go ahead and fetch this data here. And we'll see that I have some here. Oh, looks like I had something there, so I just need to refetch. So now I have my articles. These are the 4 articles that I have, and now I can make some changes. So let's say I want to get rid of all my descriptions. So I'm going to clear those out, and I'm just going to update these 4 articles. So I'm going to select them to be updated, and then click upload, and that will upload them back to Intercom with those changes. So once they've been uploaded, we got this green box that they've all been successful. And if I reload Intercom here, we can see those changes have been taking place. So if I go here, there's no description. If I want to edit the latest, I can see that I can add a description here if I want. Let's go over how to set up Bulkify Falcon so that you can get these articles into Google Sheets and make changes to them and upload them back to Intercom. So when you first install Bulkify Falcon, you'll need to enter in an API key to allow it to grab information from Intercom. So to do this, let's go to the App Store on the bottom left of Intercom. And we can see all your installed apps here, but we're going to go to build your own app and over to the developer hub. So what this will do is it allows us to create that API key. So I already have one here, but we're just going to create a new app. We'll call this, Bulkify for me. Make sure it's in the right workspace. And then once you create that app, you'll be able to get a access token for it. So here is the access token. So I'm going to copy it to my clipboard and then paste it here as my API key. So I'm going to save that, and once it's saved successfully, I'm going to go ahead and get the articles. Now this will take a second, and if you have hundreds of articles, this will take a little bit because it needs to go through and get them all before it can display them. It's faster that it gets all of them and then displays them. And we can see that it's brought in those 4 here already. So if we go to your account, under authentication, you'll always be able to see these tokens and you can revoke it at any time.